Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel, MikeTheTechSavvy. In front of me I have the brand new Galaxy S20, the 5G version. I will be unboxing this device and taking a first look at it. Of course, very soon a full and comprehensive review will come on this device. This is the most sensible choice out of the 2020 lineup that Samsung has brought us. I chose this S20 and not the S20 Plus or Ultra because I believe this is the most sensible choice. Honestly, I like more compact devices, so it was a no-brainer. Of course, I had to go for the 5G version because, well, why not? It's a novelty and I sure as hell want to try it. So let's get on with it. This is the box that it came with. It had no foil on top of it like the previous S10, which is quite unusual. So we have a more, let's say, Spartan packaging overall. On this side we don't have anything. On this side we have the model number, and in my case it's the SM G981B/DS because this is a dual SIM device. It's quite unusual that I have the G981B and not F. I'm not really sure what the differences are. Both the model numbers are valid model numbers for S20 devices with 5G, and I went for the cloud blue color variant. On this side we don't have anything, on this side nothing, and on the back, well, nothing, let's say. I'm based in Europe, so of course this device is an Exynos-powered Samsung Galaxy S20. Let's open it up. Here above the device we have the SIM ejector tool and some manuals, I guess, warranty card and user guide or something. I don't care that much about these, so I'll put them aside. We have the device itself. I'll be putting it on this side because it looks really well. Let's check the rest of the packaging. We have this carton thing. Well, okay. We have a Samsung charger, and this time it has a Type-C port and not a USB Type-A here on the top. Let's check the specs. As you may see, this is a pretty powerful charger compared to the previous generation. We do have a separator thingy here, which is empty. And here we have the cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, of course, and the AKG tuned Samsung headphones, which now have this pretty nice textile cable, partially at least. They look pretty well. Haven't tested them and probably I won't be testing them. What's worth mentioning is that the headphones are connecting straight through the USB Type-C port. Now let's put everything aside and take a look at the device itself. This is the cloud blue color variant. It looks amazing. It has these like green, red, orange reflections. It's really nice. It looks really neat. On the front, well, nothing special. Let's power it up and we'll take a look at the case as well. Just a first look. I won't be going in too much detail in this video. You may notice straight off the bat that something is missing here on the bottom, and you would be correct. The headphone jack is missing. We have a microphone, speakers. From the left side we have a very similar look to the Note 10, which has moved all the buttons on one side. On the top, SIM card tray and microphone. On the right side we have the volume keys and the power button. On the back here we also have the 3 cameras here, which are a pretty big improvement compared to the previous S10, or they should be at least. Device looks pretty nice. Of course, I have activated the 120 Hz mode, which is, I know I cannot really show it to you, but it really does make a difference. It's quite impressive. The camera is now right here in the middle. The device feels very solid in hand. It's pretty narrow, but it's a bit longer than the S10e. I will be using this as my daily driver for the next couple of weeks, and then I will surely come back with a full in-depth review of this Samsung Galaxy S20, the 5G version. Let me just show you the mobile data menu, where you can definitely see the 5G toggle. So there you go. I will be reviewing this as well, the 5G connectivity, and I will tell you all my thoughts about it. This was a first look and an unboxing of this new 2020 Samsung flagship, the Galaxy S20 5G. Thank you so much for watching this video. This was MikeTheTechSavvy. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please do press the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see similar videos in the future, also press the subscribe button, which will be displayed right here in the bottom left part. Thank you so much once again. I wish you a great day. Bye.